How's it going, guys? It's Root Junkie here, and over here at Phonlab, and today in this video we're going to be talking about channels. What are channels? So let me show you what I'm talking about and how to access these channels and how to edit and change them. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into settings on your Chromebook. Normally you can launch it from over here and then click on this little gear, which just looks just like Android settings on a lot of devices. And then you get into this screen. So from here, you're just going to go over here where it says About Chrome OS, and we're going to click on that. And then we're going to come over here and click on More Information. And right here, you can see this little section right here about channels. So it says Currently on Stable Channel. So you have this option right here to change channels. So we're going to go ahead and just click that. And here you go. This is what you've got here. So we have Stable, Beta, and Developer Unstable. So let me just explain what this is and what's going to happen if you decide to change channels. So stable channel is the software that comes on this Chromebook. That's your stable channel. That's what it's going to be on when you get it. If a customer brings it in, it's probably going to be on that. Beta is an option where you can go ahead and you can change it to the beta channel, and this is going to be able to get you the latest and greatest Chrome OS updates. Basically, as soon as they get it to this point where they feel like it's pretty stable enough to release for general use, they're going to allow you to use it and test it out. It could still have some bugs, but probably it's going to run really, really well. And then if you really want to be on the breaking edge of what's going on your device, you can go to Developer, and you can turn on this. But this one's unstable and it's probably going to have bugs, and you might get crashes and force close and different things. But it's going to have like the absolute breaking edge of newest and greatest features and updates. So that's just kind of up to you. Now, just as a word of caution, changing this is very possibly going to wipe out your device. So I'm actually going to try changing it to beta because I kind of want to have the latest and greatest. So we're going to change channel, and we're just going to see if it does anything. It looks like what it's doing is it's going to download the beta channel update, which basically is a firmware update to get all the latest and greatest features. So once that's done, it's going to go ahead and go through the install and reboot and so on. So let's just let this download, and I'll just show you the process of changing it to beta, just so you guys can see what it is. Alright, so you can see the download here is just wrapping up right there. It's got a percentage, and this is just going to basically flash the update that puts you on the beta channel. And then from then on out, you will be getting OTA updates to your Chrome OS from the beta channel and have all the latest and greatest on your device. I'm assuming this is going to make me do a restart here. I'm just seeing what it's going to do here. It's at 100%. Probably it's got to verify the download and then go ahead and tell me to restart to apply the beta channel update. I'm just curious. I'm not sure if changing to the beta or developer channel will wipe out the device and basically do a factory reset on it. It's possible. Anytime you do any kind of tweaks or development on your device, obviously you're going to want to be prepared for that eventuality in case you have to just wipe it out anyway. So always good to definitely go ahead and do any backups of any material before you start any of these tutorials. Anything that's on the device that you might be scared of losing, definitely get that backed up beforehand with an external flash drive or the SD card slot. Alright, so you can see right here it just went ahead and changed, so restart device to apply. So I'm just going to hit done and close these things out. And if we come over here, here you go, restart to update. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and I'm assuming this update is going to be fairly quick, but I don't know. I'm not sure if it does the update in the background or if it's going to go to some kind of recovery screen. Okay, so yeah, super insanely quick. That was awesome. So as you can see, Phonlab is still here in the background. So that means I kept all of my information, and we are currently on the beta channel with all of the latest features. Now those features, I'm not sure exactly what they're going to be. Hard kind of to say until you start messing around with it. But that is the process of going ahead and changing to beta or developer. Same process. So hope you guys like this video here, and we'll catch you guys in the next Phonlab video on Chromebooks. Catch you later. We're Junkie out.